Connor. What is that outside?
It's cold. Connor, here.
Look at all that snow.
It's snow. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Daddy, he's cold.
Are you cold?
It's exciting, huh?
Here, how about I do this? Get a big snowball. Close the door.
Yeah. It's okay. Mommy's right here. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, cool. Yeah. You gotta come see Mommy every once in a while, huh?
Connor.
It's okay.
Connor. Connor.
Connor, look.
Snow. Look at the snowball.
Oh my
You-
goodness.
Connor.
Oh.
Connor, hey.
Oh, dude, he's It's okay. Yeah. Yeah, Mommy hold you. Mommy hold you. Yeah, look at what Daddy's doing.
Connor. Go.
Yeah.
No.
Whoop.
Snow. Here. I want to try the snow.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good. Good job. Good job.
What, baby? Oh, you fell. That was silly. Yeah, dropped on the carpet, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, off the carpet. Nice. That's cold.
Oh, is that the best thing ever? Snow.
Don't take it all, Daddy. That's funny. Oh, it's okay. Oh, no. Yeah.
That's okay.
Oh, okay.
Well,
So
that
we're
game's
just gonna
over.
we're just gonna throw snow now that Daddy said it was okay. So much for the carpet.
It doesn't go on the ground, silly.
Snow is so cool. You gonna throw it? Oh, good job. Well, you almost made it outside.
Do it.
Do it.
Good job.
Good boy.
Oh, fresh snow. Okay, you're done.
Oh, yeah. Do you want to go outside and play? Thanks, dude. Thanks, dude. Oh, thanks. I think we should just stick to throwing snow outside. What do you think? gonna start melting.
Yeah, it's melting. Let's go get our snowsuit on.
Connor, let's go outside.
Let's go outside and play in the snow.
Let's go get all bundled up. Ooh.
He's okay.
That'll be nice. The dog freaking out in the background.
Sticks to your hat.
It's snowing a lot. It's snowing a lot. Oh my goodness. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Brr.
Touchdown! Oh. You're okay. Your hand's cold? Okay.
That's why we gotta wear mittens, okay?
Slow down. Yeah, look.
Daddy's truck.
Snow. There's a drop off. Okay. Let's go inside.
Woo! Here. Let's all
Yeah.
say, hi, it's snowing.
It's our first snow. Oh, okay.
Okay, let's
go
go inside.